Besties, I'm back from my third cash stuffing in May. Let's get into the video.
Switch it up.
Friends, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel for my third cash stuffing in May. Today is May 13th. My calendar is finally right because we're in the double digits now, y'all. May 13th, yes. So this is a small cash stuffing. I think we're stuffing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 envelopes today. In our bills binder and our main sinking funds, we're gonna get some things stuffed. And I'm super excited for this video because your girl is completing her 52-week savings challenge. Oh, how exciting is that, y'all? We're gonna go ahead and hop right into the cash stuffing. This video probably won't be long, but I had to share it with you all. So we're gonna start in our main sinking funds binder. I did already update my trackers. And we're going to add 40 to car maintenance. Y'all know that car registration is about to kick my butt. So we wanna add $40 today. $218 is gonna have to come out of this envelope, y'all. So we're gonna have to beef our car maintenance envelope up. So we now have 500 in the bank, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 600. 600 in car maintenance. And probably after this video, you all will see a cash unstuffing. I'm sure, a small cash unstuffing. The next envelope, we're gonna do self-care. Is self-care the next one or home? Let's see. Home is the next one, actually. We're gonna do $20 in home. I did purchase a few items on 2 separate occasions, I believe, for my home. So I definitely have to unstuff that money for sure. So 100, 20, 40, 50, 60. So we now have 160 in home. I have still not been able to rebook the guy to come install my TV and my stuff on the walls. He's not responding now, y'all, so I guess he does not need my money. Next is going to be kids, and kids is going to get 100. I do have to pay for before and after school care for my daughter really soon. 100, 110. So we want to make sure that we have the money for that. Perfect. Self-care is going to get 20. Definitely have to unstuff this. I did do my micro needling appointment already, so we definitely have to get that money back to the bank. We're gonna add $20 into self-care. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 450, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67. So 467 in self-care. Perfection. Is there anything else coming out of here? Clothing. Yes, we gotta add to clothing. Clothing is getting 40, and that's gonna be 2 20s. I still have to buy some more non-slip shoes and some pants for my new job. Y'all, I started my new job today. I'm so excited. Today was so peaceful and no stress at all. immediately within a couple of hours of being in my new role with my new company, I thought to myself, this was the best decision I could have made career-wise, y'all. I do not miss my old store, my old company. I'm at peace with my decision. And I'm so freaking excited for the future in my new role with my new company, y'all. So freaking excited. Okay, so clothing now has 20, 40, 60, 80. Perfect. And let me tell y'all, I went in Skechers before coming home today, y'all. Skechers is so expensive for non-slip shoes. So expensive, man. Okay, so I think that's everything in here. Yes, that's everything in here. I did move the 52-week savings challenge to my home buying binder. So we're good here. We're gonna go right into our bills binder really quick so we can add a little bit of money in here. Sorry, friends. My honey is in the middle of calling and cut my video off. Okay, so we're gonna stuff 2 envelopes in our bills binder. The first is going to be insurance policies, and we're gonna put $7 in here. And I think this is just to even out the envelope. There might be an odd number in here. Okay, so we have 100, 150, 170, 175, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. That is not right. That is not right. Is that right? Was I supposed to put $7 in here? That isn't, it's not coming out right though. 100, 150, 170, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Okay, we have 184. That does not seem right. Hopefully I didn't grab too much money. All right, we're just gonna roll with it. And I'll come back to it if something is off. And then house bills is getting a 20. But something don't seem right. Okay, a 20 in house bills. Y'all know I like to stay at 500 or above in this envelope. 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 380, 390, 395, 400, and then we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So $420 in household bills. Perfect, and that's all we're stuffing in here. Okay, we're gonna go right to our 52-week savings challenge. Let me get my Sharpie because we are gonna have to mark off numbers. Okay, can you guys see this clearly? Hopefully you can. Okay, so we're literally finishing off the numbers on here. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. And all of those numbers add up to $231, y'all. So I'm just crossing all these out. Perfection. So let's go ahead and add that $231 to this pile, shall we? So 220, 30, and 1. And let's verify that we have $1,378 here. Let me get my calculator, okay? We're gonna make this easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 50, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40. So 140, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Plus 38. What do we have? Can you guys see that clearly? $1,378. And that is how much this savings challenge saves. How exciting! I can't wait for my next video so I can get this money distributed in my envelopes. Specifically, my earnest money envelope and my inspection envelope is where this money is going, y'all. I'm super, super excited to get this money transferred over. That is freaking exciting. So this savings challenge is completed. Will I start it over? I don't know yet. I'm thinking about it. I don't know. But we're all set, y'all. That's everything. How exciting. So $478 has been stuffed in my envelopes. Thank you all so much for tuning in for my third cash stuffing of May. Happy Tuesday again, Taco Tuesday, even though your girl didn't have no tacos today. I had a lobster roll. I found this place in Arizona that does lobster roll combos, y'all. I pay less than $16. Like, I can't believe it. Like, I've been a regular customer every week. I've been going to this place to get me a lobster roll. I love lobster rolls. But anyways, I'm gonna stop babbling. If you've made it this far and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribing is absolutely free. We have to stick together in this budgeting community. You subscribe to my channel, I come to your channel, and I subscribe to you as well because we have to stick together in this budgeting community. I will see you all in my next video, which will probably be my unstuffing video. And I will probably do the transfer of those savings challenge funds into my home buying binder envelopes. We'll probably do that in that unstuffing video as well. So stay tuned for that. Be on the lookout for that. Make sure your notifications is turned on so you can be one of the first to watch my next video. I will see you all very, very soon. Peace.